phone problems. There's nothing on the screen. The screen is blank. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to do is check the back of the phone, because you're not even thinking about picking up the phone to see if you have dial tone. You may do that, but that's not going to help. But it doesn't hurt to try. So let's try it. No light, no dial tone. So now our next option is to look the wire in the back of the phone. Let's just say the phone wire is actually plugging into the phone, even though we can see that the wire is not plugging. But let's just say that. So we're gonna go ahead unplug the wire, because we want to see if our wires is good, is clean, not corroded. This is the wire. Now what we're looking for the little pins. If they look clean, and they actually look clean, so we know our phone wire look clean. So now we're gonna check the phone part, as far as the jack that's actually built in the phone. So we're gonna go ahead and see the condition of that. So we flip the phone upside down, and we can look at the jack, and it's not that bad. So we know our problem is not the phone so far, and it's not the wire that's plugged into the phone. So now we're gonna check the jack that's mounted on the wall, and the wire from the phone that's actually attached to the wall, which is called the wall jack. Let's go. So now we're here. We're gonna follow the wire for the phone, which is gonna be this one. Then we're gonna look at the jack again, the same way we'll look at the other end. Then if it's good, then okay, our wire is good. But make sure you can actually inspect the whole wire from one end to another, because a lot of times the wire would actually be bent, or it'll cut, and that might be the wire. But once you inspect your wires, everything is good. So guess what? That problem eliminate. So we're not checking that problem anymore. So now our focus is the jack itself. So this type of jack, you have about 6 ports, as far as 6 jack that built inside the wall jack. So now we can actually do it the easy way by checking here and make sure none of the pin is actually broke. And if everything look good, clean, if it's dirty, we go ahead and clean it using a small wire brush, or just blow on it. Do not spray WD-40. Do not spray WD-40, because you're going to damage your jack. So you can use alcohol, which is good, and clean the jack. If that works, fine. If it doesn't work, now you can take the whole thing out and find out if your problem is a miswiring or corrosion buildup inside the jack. If that's the problem, I would suggest you replace the jack. Usually that's the problem.